Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use AI dimming function. In AiHouse, we have AI dimming function where you can still adjust the lighting for your render picture after you already sent for render. Okay, you don't need to re-render. Let's say after render, your render picture turns out not being nice as you expected. Okay, maybe the color is a bit darker, and then you don't need to adjust the lighting. So what you need to do is you just click on the beautify image. Okay, and then you will enter this beautification mode. Okay, so under image adjustment on your right side, okay, you can click on this AI dimming function. Okay, you click on AI dimming function. So you need to select the resolution. Okay, but you see this message here, if you use the higher the resolution, so the longer the drawing time, the time will be longer lah if you choose the higher or highest resolution. And then you can click on generate quantity. You can choose for how many a drawing or picture that you want to generate. Okay, and then you can adjust the range. This is the interesting part where you can adjust the brightening, clear exposure, and also if you want to enhance the sunlight to be projected to your room, so you can click. Normally we will try to click all of these three options. Okay, and let's say if you want to have a precise or more detail on your light description, so you can put in here. Okay, so after you have done, you can click on adjust light immediately. Okay, and it will take sometimes, okay, in less than 1 or 2 minutes depending on the resolution that you have choose. Okay, so you need to wait a while. Okay, so this is the outcome. The outcome for the AI dimming just now that we already clicked, and you see to see the difference. Okay, and you can click on the base map. Base map is the original picture, and this is the picture that we are using under AI dimming just now. So you see it enhances the sunlight, and also it enhances the exposure. Okay, so it will have a much more better than original one. Okay, so this is original, and then this is the using AI dimming function. Okay, so you can try to test out to your past renderings. Okay, let's say you want to enhance your past render picture, so you can use this AI dimming function. So you can click save as, okay, to add to the gallery, beautification gallery. Okay, and then you can download if you want to download. Alright, so happy trying. Bye bye.